In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record a meeting in Lark. By the end, you'll know exactly how to start a recording, what you'll see while it's running, and how to stop it cleanly so your meeting is captured without any confusion. First, open the Lark app on your computer or mobile device. Make sure you're signed in and ready to go. From here, either join a meeting you've been invited to or start a new one. Joining an existing meeting works exactly the same for recording as hosting your own, as long as your organization allows participants to record. If you don't see the option later on, it may be a permission setting, so keep that in mind. Once you're in the meeting, look toward the bottom toolbar. This is the control bar that houses your mic, camera, screen sharing, and more. Find the record button. Depending on your version, it may simply say record or show a circular icon that indicates recording. When you're ready, click the record button. A confirmation window will appear to make sure you want to proceed. Choose Record Meeting, then click Start. This extra confirmation helps prevent accidental recordings, and it's a good moment to let participants know you're about to record if you haven't already. As soon as recording begins, you'll see a clear indicator that the meeting is being recorded. This might be a red dot, a timer, or a banner near the top of the meeting window. All participants are notified that recording has started, which keeps everyone informed and supports transparency. While it's running, you can continue your meeting as normal, present slides, share your screen, and speak as you usually would. If you plan to capture a specific segment, try to pause briefly before you start a new topic so the recording has clean transitions. When you're ready to wrap up the recording, click Stop Recording from the same bottom toolbar. You'll typically be asked to confirm that you want to stop, which helps you avoid cutting off important content by mistake. If your meeting is finished, you can end the meeting after stopping the recording. Ending the meeting will not delete what you've captured, it simply finalizes the session. That's all there is to it. Open Lark, join or start your meeting, click Record, confirm and start, watch for the recording indicator and participant notification, then click Stop Recording when you're done, and end the meeting if needed. If you don't see the record option, check with your workspace administrator, as availability can depend on your organization's settings.